Stop paying for expensive API credits. Today, I found a way to give you a genius level autonomous AI employee for free. We are looking at Kimi K 2.5. This is the new model from Moonshot AI out of China. It is crushing benchmarks, and right now, they are offering a massive free tier for developers. I'm going to show you how to grab an API key, hook it up to OpenClaw, and run a fully autonomous coding agent on your local machine without spending a dime. First, go to the Moonshot platform. We need to generate a bridge. Go to your API keys and hit Create New. I'm naming this one Testing. Now, open up your terminal. Welcome to the Forge. We are installing OpenClaw. If you haven't used this yet, OpenClaw is the open source framework that lets you run these agents locally. I'm running the install script here. Now, while this downloads, you need to understand the difference. When you use ChatGPT, you are renting their interface. When you use OpenClaw, you own the environment. We are building the infrastructure here. We are downloading the dependencies and setting up the local server. This acts as the body of your employee. The Kimi API key we just grabbed, that's the intelligence. Okay, the installation is done. Now we run the onboarding command. This is the critical part. Watch closely. It asks for your provider. Most people just click OpenAI and pay the fees. We aren't doing that. Scroll down. We are selecting Moonshot AI. This is where we paste that key we generated earlier. By doing this, we are routing all the intelligence through Kimi's free tier. You now have a coding agent that rivals GPT-4 running on your hardware, costing you $0. Now, we configure the workspace. The agent needs permission to read and write files on your computer. I am setting this up to run in local mode. This is safety protocol. You are giving an AI permission to execute code, so we define the sandbox. I'm telling it, you can work in this folder, but stay out of my system files. It's asking for confirmation. We confirm the settings. Now it's installing the specific skills for Kimi. It's learning how to use the file system, how to run terminal commands, and how to browse the web if we let it. We are almost there. We need to start the gateway. Think of the gateway as the nervous system. It connects the brain, the API, to the hands, the file system, and the face, the chat interface we are about to see. Now, let's go to the browser. This is OpenClaw running locally on my machine, powered by that free Kimi API key. Let's see if it can actually code. We are now testing Kimi K2 to see the responses and if the API key is working or not. Now I am asking the model what model it is and running on. As we can see, the API is working and it is running on Kimi K2 thinking. I'm going to act as the project manager here. I'm typing, I want to build a landing page for Mike's AI Forge. I'm giving it context. I tell it that it's a community for learning AI tools, automation, and building wealth. I want a modern, dark-themed design. Watch the reasoning log on the side. This is Kimi thinking. It doesn't just guess, it plans. It says, okay, I need a hero section, I need a features list, I need a call to action. It's breaking down the task just like a senior developer would. Now it's writing the code. It's generating the HTML structure, the CSS styling, and the actual marketing copy all in one shot. And remember, every token being generated right now is coming from that free tier API. If you want to replicate this exact setup, if you want the installation scripts, the command lines, and the prompts I used to build this, you need to get into the AI Money Forge. I have a full classroom section dedicated to this. I break down exactly how to install OpenClaw, how to get these free keys, and how to automate your entire workflow. We are building a community of builders, not just watchers. Right now, the community is free to join, but the first 100 spots are vanishing fast. Once we hit capacity, we are locking the doors. Do not wait. Click the link in the description. Join the Forge. Get the blueprints, stop renting your AI, and start owning your empire. Let's see the result. Look at that. That is a professional grade landing page generated in under 60 seconds. It understood the Forge branding. It understood the value proposition. It built a features section that actually makes sense. Curated tool discovery, automation workflows. This would have taken a human freelancer hours to design and code. My free AI employee did it while I watched. Now that you have learned this whole process, come and join the AI Forge. I'll see you on the inside.